we go.
Avionics power is coming off at the start. The start sequence will be 2 and then 1. We'll start number 2 first.
Well, I'll never be able to have a knife on a plane again.
Leave N2 12%, throw the fuel in. N1 spinning with ITT. Monitor the ITT, make sure it doesn't get too high. If it does, you gotta abort the start. Looks like it's coming up normally. Alright, that's a good light off. The engine's stabilizing at 55%. The ITT is coming down. The N1 is normal. Here comes engine number 1. N2, 12%, throw the fuel in. Guard it in case we have to abort the start. N1's alive, and monitor the ITT rise. And that's a good start. Engines are idling normally. And I'll turn the avionics power back on. And
Figure 66 off mission bay.
beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Let's just keep that out then. Let's go ahead and shut down the APU. We're just waiting for the avionics to boot up. It looks like they're coming alive now. And
APU is the loudest thing in here.
is it a good squawk for us?
Yep.
All right. Let's call
Yeah.
Brown and let them know we're ready.
Crapped out. I thought I charged it.
All right, so then there's a couple
There's
other
a
things.
speaker, he says you may be able to hear all
It's
of that.
alright.
There's a couple other things we do. We arm the emergency lights, turn the gyro on, uncage the standby gyro. We set the force link disconnect and arm the aileron boost. Turn it off, comes off, come back on, comes back on. The flaps are set at 20, the trim's in the green, spoilers are down, and we're ready to taxi. So we'll flash a light at this guy. He knows we're ready to go. Take the brakes off.
So get a picture of me like hanging out here or something.
Are you going to be up here on the takeoff too?
Oh yeah. You can do it on the way back if you want.
Fuck yeah! I'm so going to do that. Oh, this is We're just like all on this little fucking.
You can stand right there all the way through this if you want.
Oh, you should just get like right behind everybody and take this picture of everyone like in the front of the plane as it's going.
Alright, let's run the full list. And let's just do like challenge response.
Okay. Avionics inverters.
They're set.
Battery.
It's
Everyone
set.
remains
Verify the amps and volts.
That's 48. And 50 takeoff. Speed brakes and spoilers.
Alright, here comes the.
He's gonna
I
check
got
stuff
one
on
up,
the wings. Look outside if you want.
2 up, spoiler hold down, 1 down.
One down.
And pump off, both down.
Both down.
Pump on, 1 up.
Yep.
Spoiler hold down coming off, both up.
Left side.
Oh,
1 down
Alaska.
and both down.
All down on my side.
Comes the TRs.
Painted like
6 lights, emergency stow. They're off. TR stowed. Back to normal. Check the fuel computers.
Alright, hold on short 27.
Alright, check. Fuel computers check. Rudder bias checks. Continue. Continue.
Yeah, flight controls.
Flight controls are unlocked.
You guys had one of these. You can just call pilot and be like, fuel control gun is done, Venus, X-ray,
I missed the switch to go on before he sold it.
We got Mission Bay here and Pody or whatever it's called down there. We got a good flight plan on both sides.
That's why you got rid of it.
FMS1, full arc, map, Togus, reselected and heading an altitude 4,000 and no flags. I've had 290 bugged because we're going 290 to 4,000 on the altitude.
fuel quantity, fertilizer.
Yeah, I got 3,600 pounds. It's plenty for the flight.
Take up there 14, 20, or I'm sorry, 14, 16, 26.
18, 16, 26 bug left. And we're on the tower frequency.
Oh, hey.
And let them know we're on the tower frequency now of 18.3.
His radio crapped out, so he can't.
I'm sorry, say again there, Greg?
Sorry about that.
Go ahead.
Let's see, take-up data is done, any access was not required, cockpit oxide, defog fan, auto temp not required, immediate press check.
We're following an Alaska Airlines plane out, I guess.
Yep. Digital steering, zone, exterior lights, up
Oh,
to
so we're
taxi.
gonna take off.